we are back with the second day of Navratri. I know previous steps you must have practiced. Today again we are going to take some more basic steps for you all. So ready girls?
Yes.
Let's start. Hands at the back and your right foot will come in the front, that is 1. It will go back and you will bend down. 2. Again in the front. 3. And start from your left side, that is 4. Your step is completed. Okay? Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Your hands will be, you have to cross, open means here cross, then go down and open, then your left hand is up and from your right hand you will push and push. Your step will be, just watch. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here your first steps get complete. Now let's start with the second. That is, you will clap to your left. 1, 2, and left hand goes up. Right hand here. 3, 4, clap to your right. 5, 6, left hand, right hand. 7, 8. Your steps get complete. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. First and second, both the steps got completed. Now we will start with the third step. That is 1, shoulder, 2, shoulder, 3, shoulder, 4, shoulder. You know those are your basic steps. That is the same thing which Aarti ma'am have taught you. You will go in the front. 1, 2, 3, and okay. Let's do it with the hands, girls. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you will tap your right foot in the front. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your hand movement will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And take a turn. Okay, your steps get complete here. Let's practice. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This step you can do in a single line as well as in the circle. So let's practice in the circle. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Completed the third step. Let's practice all the thing on the music. साथ बहुत मजा आ रहा है. I promise this Navratri we all are going to rock. You can tag us on our social media. The hashtag for today is MharorockingGarbo. That is MHARO. Haro, ROCKING. Rocking, GARBO. Garbo. Till then, take care. See you soon.